Oh my god, I'm so excited today because I just got in my F-8 Crusader landing gear panel, an autopilot panel, and it's still in the wrapper. Let's see here. I don't know if you can make that out. 5.5 LPE 115 panel assembly. Date of production, July 1968. It's still in the wrapper. I'm so excited. Let's open this thing up. Slit it from the back. So, let's give it a sniff. Oh, it smells like a museum. Get it out. Sorry, I'm just trembling with delight right now. Wheels up. Can't wait to put this in my station wagon. Simply amazing.